If you're getting the AnyDesk AnyNet error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a couple of simple fixes that can help get your connection working again. This is a common issue when AnyDesk has trouble connecting directly between devices, and in many cases the problem can be solved by changing one setting and checking your firewall access. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on both the local device and the remote device. You want to make sure you're looking at the settings on the machine you're connecting from and also on the machine you're connecting to, because connection settings can affect both sides. Once AnyDesk is open, go to Settings, then click on Connection and then go to General. If you see a lock icon or an unlock option, click it so you can edit the settings. Now look for the option that says Allow Direct Connections. This setting lets AnyDesk use peer-to-peer routing when possible. But if that direct route is causing the AnyNet error, turning it off can help. Uncheck Allow Direct Connections so AnyDesk will use its relay servers instead of trying to connect directly. This often solves network level dropouts and unstable connections. After that, try connecting again and see if the error is gone. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next fix. Open Windows, search on your computer and type Windows Defender Firewall. Then click the option that says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This is where Windows controls which apps are allowed to communicate through the firewall. Next, click Change Settings. You may need administrator permission for this step, so make sure you're signed in with an account that can make changes. After the settings unlock, look through the list and make sure AnyDesk is checked for both private and public networks. If it isn't checked, enable it. This is important because the firewall can block AnyDesk traffic and cause the AnyNet error even when the app itself is working fine. Once AnyDesk is allowed through both network types, save the changes and test the connection again. In many cases, just these two steps are enough to fix the problem. If you're still seeing the error, double check that direct connections are disabled on the device you're using and confirm that AnyDesk is fully permitted through Windows Defender Firewall. A quick restart of AnyDesk or your PC can also help apply the changes properly. The key here is to remove anything that is blocking or interrupting the connection path. By forcing AnyDesk to use relay servers and making sure the firewall isn't blocking it, you give the app the best chance to connect successfully. So to recap, first disable direct connections in AnyDesk, then allow AnyDesk through Windows Defender Firewall on private and public networks, and then try connecting again. If this video helped you fix the AnyNet error, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.